Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fall makeup look and it's this look that I'm wearing right now. It is such a nice fall inspired, natural and super easy makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I create this look, then please keep watching. So I always use a corrector first to cover up my dark circles. Concealer does a great job, but if you have any like bluish or purplish tint underneath your eyes, corrector is really great to get that concealed even better. So I always go in with the Becca corrector. I put a little bit underneath my eyes before I apply my concealer. I like to also go in a little bit with the corrector in other areas that I find that there's like some discoloration, because I feel like that helps it cover up better with the concealer. I am using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer today. I go in with the color Custard. So I just apply it underneath my eyes in a triangular shape. And then I'll also apply it in areas with dark spots or discoloration. And I do this in place of applying a foundation, especially if I'm going for a natural makeup look. Of course, if I have an event, I like to go in with the foundation, but for an everyday look, I don't like to wear full face coverage. So just using a concealer to cover up the areas that you want concealed is really good. And it also gives your face the opportunity to breathe a little bit. So I love using a kabuki brush to kind of blend in everything. This one's really good. It is by NYX. I'll try to link everything that I'm using below so you guys can find direct links there. Looking like a ghost. Completely matched my room today, my beige sweater. And now my face looks like my walls. I'm gonna go in to do our eyes now with the Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I really love this one for fall because it just screams fall with all these colors. So I'm gonna do a pumpkin spice look. Something that just feels warm and toasty. So going in with this color here. It comes with this little sheet that gives you the names. I wish it was actually on the palette itself instead of having to keep the sheet. But here we have the universal colors. So I'm gonna go in with that color as the base. It's like a very, very pale orange. Get a mirror. So just apply that all over my eyelid here. So now going in with another shade, we're gonna go in with Spice. So that's this one here. It's an even deeper orange, which borderlines brown. So we're gonna use that one to kind of go into our outer corner here and spice that up a bit. I am using a tapered brush that kind of like focuses in that region, and then we'll go in with a blending brush afterwards. I think to break up some color a little bit, I'm gonna add this shade here, which is right next to Spice. It's Terracotta. I think that'll give it a little bit more color and definition. So we're just gonna add that into the crease. And then we're gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just blend it all in. Next, I'm gonna take a angled brush like so, and I'm gonna use the shade that we first used as a base. I'm gonna use that underneath my bottom lashes, just to give that a little bit of color and some definition. Now going in with a liquid liner, we're gonna line our lids. This is gonna be difficult. Let's see if I can do it on camera. Okay, now I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so we got the liquid liner on. I did make it a little thicker today. It wasn't my intention, but y'all know how it is with liquid liner. It's always a hit or miss. We're gonna go in with a bronzer and just color up our face a little bit. So I like to use bronzer as a contour as well. to kind of make my cheekbones look a little bit higher. And then I also use it just a little bit to bronze up my nose. Just like so. I'll go in with like a fluffy brush to soften it up. And then going in with this Sephora blush in the color Passionate. It's a nice orangey color, so I like to use this a lot in the fall. It just gives you some nice fallish tones on your face. And I'll just go there on the apples of my cheeks. Going in with this Urban Decay mattifying powder, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this underneath my eyes so that my concealer doesn't crease. And then where I get oily, mainly in the T-zone. So up here and then down here. Ooh. I almost forgot to do my brows, you guys. So this is my absolute favorite brow gel from Benefit. So it just gives you a little bit of tint to your brows. So I like to apply that all over. And it also just keeps the shape. There you go. Now for mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes first. And then use one of my absolute favorite mascaras by Maybelline called Lash Sensational. So I tried the pink version of this, and the black one's just meant to be more intense. I prefer the black one so much more. So if you guys are choosing between the pink or black, get the black. We're going to apply the Strip Down Lip Liner by MAC, my absolute favorite lip liner. So just go in. You can overline too with this. And then draw some lines to, oh, that just broke off. Like that. And then going in with my lipstick called She Cute by ColourPop. Just gonna go in there. And that is it for the makeup, the hair down. And we are done with our fall makeup look. That's it for our fall makeup look. I am in love with it. I just love how simple and natural it looks with like these fall tones that kind of are so warm and make you feel so cozy in this cold sweater weather. If you guys like this makeup look, make sure to like this video and comment below if you guys want to see more fall makeup looks. There's so many different warm tones that you can use for the fall to kind of just bring that season to your face. So if you guys are interested to see more, let me know below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.